There are a few times when I'm trying to be a little more health conscious when it comes to some of the ingredients, but sometimes you sacrifice taste. I'm often asked if everything I bake has to have all of the calories and the carbs, and the answer is no. You can cut back on the sugar, the butter, and the carbs with the variety that we have that's easily available to us these days. Another thing is a few of my friends have gluten issues, so I'm often thinking about how they might be able to make some of, if not all of the bakes that I bring to this channel. The bake today is one of the more healthy options for a dessert that you can make. Apple Crumble. Stick around, I'll show you how it's made. With this one, I think I found a good balance with the sweetness and the tartness. This apple crumble is gluten-free as I'm using almond flour instead of regular all-purpose flour, but you could use a gluten-free flour of your choice. Before we get started, I'd really appreciate it if you click on the like button and also subscribe to this channel and click on the little bell to get a notification when I post a new video. Start by preheating the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Peel and slice the apple. I recommend using Fuji or Honeycrisp or even a Grannie Smith apple as they'll hold up better while baking. Drizzle a little lemon juice over the apples and give it a toss. This helps prevent oxidizing. They won't turn brown before baking. Transfer the sliced apples to your baking dish. You can use a 9-inch cast iron skillet, a 9-inch round pan, or a 9x7 baking dish. Set this aside while you mix up the crumble. In a medium bowl, add in the chopped nuts, add in the melted butter, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. Add in the sweetener, add in the flour and stir to combine. You should end up with pea-sized lumps. Spread this evenly over the apples. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Check the dish when you have about 15 minutes left to bake. If the crumble is browning too much, cover the dish with tin foil and continue to bake. Remove from the oven, uncover if you've used tin foil, and allow to cool slightly before serving. This can be kept in the fridge covered for about a week. Scoop out your serving and warm it in the microwave for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then serve with a side of ice cream if you like. If you make this, please let me know how it turned out. Leave me a comment below. My turn. got all the textures that you would expect from a good crumble. The almond flour held up really well, and the flavor's just slightly there, but it's really, really good. Thanks again for watching. And don't forget, like and subscribe. It's so good.